Welcome to the PayFast Payroll App, your all-in-one solution for managing payroll, timesheets, and leave with ease. Payroll can often feel time-consuming and stressful, but PayFast makes it secure, compliant, and effortless. Designed for small to medium businesses, the PayFast Payroll app connects seamlessly to the PayFast Payroll system, eliminating manual data entry and reducing errors. Employees can manage hours, leave, and balances in the app, view payslip summaries, and get full payslips automatically sent to their email. Managers can easily review and approve timesheets and leave requests, keeping payroll accurate. They can also view a payslip summary in the app, with full payslips automatically sent to their email. Everything flows straight into the payroll system for fast and accurate processing, with no extra work required. And the best part? No registration is needed. You'll receive your login credentials directly from your payroll administrator. In this video series, we'll walk you through everything, from managing timesheets, applying for leave, to reviewing and approving requests as a manager. Ready to get started? Email payfast at payfast.co.nz or call 0800 822 888. Let's make payroll simple, accurate, and effortless with PayFast.